Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yay! So if you don't know who I am, my name is Mary and I love makeup and doing cute looks for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you can see more of my looks. Today for this look, I created a soft purple with a dark liner with the shadows, and for today's look I used my brand new Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill. It's one of the mini palettes and this one is in Bling Boss. And I have two other Jaclyn Hill palettes. If you guys haven't seen my other videos, I do more looks with the Jaclyn Hill palettes. I have the volume 1, the volume 2, and now the little mini palette. And I was so happy to do this look because purple is actually my favorite color, but it's not very practical for me. I don't really wear it that much, but I was really inspired to do a cute purple look, and some of you guys asked me on my Instagram. I asked what looks would you guys want to see, and one of the responses that I got was to do a wearable purple, and I'm like, oh, I haven't done that in a minute. So this is the look that I came up with. And in the video I used also two other brand new products. I used the Jeffree Star Setting Spray Mist, and I also used the Morphe liner, the liquid liner. And I must say, I love this liner. It is amazing. The tip is so pointy. You can make that line so cut, your wing liner. Girl, you can get this snatched. Your liner can get snatched using this, and it's super affordable. I forgot exactly how much it costs, but it was very affordable. And this Jeffree Star Setting Spray Mist, oh my god, it just gives you such a dewy look, and it feels so refreshing, and it smells amazing. I definitely highly recommend this. Other than that, I put on some cute accessories, some cute earrings, and I just crimped my hair. And I used my 3-barrel crimper to crimp my hair. So I hope you guys like this look. Again, as I said, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe and show me some love. And I hope you guys liked this look that I created for you guys. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Bye guys. All right, are we ready to get started then? Okay, so as always, first things first, let's get them eyelids primed using the 24-hour Smashbox photofinish primer. This is my holy grail eye primer. I find that if the times that I used concealer as primer, it just bunched up my eyeshadows, and I didn't really like using it, but maybe that just happened to me. So my holy grail, like I said, is the Smashbox primer. Okay, so now to do the straight line on my eyelid, I am gonna go in with my all-time favorite paper tape. And if you've been following my videos, you've seen that I like to use the paper tape for to create that straight eyeshadow line. And why paper tape? Well, the way I like to do it is whenever I do this technique, I find that paper tape doesn't attach that much onto your makeup. So when I peel it off, it doesn't also peel off my makeup. And it's just my preference in doing all of my face makeup first and then my eyeshadow. So that's why I use paper tape. But if you like to do it the other way around, doing your eyeshadow first before you do your foundation makeup routine, that's totally fine. Everyone likes to do it different. So this is the reason why I use paper tape more specifically, so that my foundation doesn't peel off of my face. Okay, so now here we go. So this is part of the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and this one is in Bling Boss. So I'm going to be starting off with my MAC 206 blending brush. And I'm going to start with Hush Hush. Then I'm gonna go in with Rockstar. I'm just going to apply it more on the lower side of my eyelids. Okay, and with my all-nighter spray by Urban Decay, I'm going to spray my Morphe packing brush in M124. I'm going to be using Ballsy and apply over my lid. So I'm just gonna go in with Bling Bling and just apply it to the inner corner of my eyelid. So with the very tip of my same packing brush, I'm going to just tap on Mystic. And I'm going to gently put it on my crease. It's not a cut crease, it's just adding a little bit of shadow to it. So this just added a little bit of dimension to the eye look. Okay, and with a smaller packing brush, this is a little baby packing brush, like super tiny. I'm going to take Mystic, the same one, and I'm going to create the line. Okay, are we ready? I'm just gonna be blending it out a little bit. And so this is my first time using this liner. And this is by Morphe. And I'm not sure if they have other colors, but this is just black. So this is the Dose of Colors eyeliner, and this is in color Caviar. And I'm just going to underline the bottom part of my top eyelid. So I'm just going to curl out my lashes. Mascara by Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette brush, I'm going to use the smudging side, and I'm going to go back in with Hush Hush. and I'm going to apply it to the to my lower lash. So I'm going to go in with Gem, and I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line as well. So I'm going to go in with Bling Bling and put it more at the inner corner of my eye. So I'm going to take an NYX pencil, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash. So going back with my mascara, I'm going I'm going to go in for my lower lashes. And I have like 3, so it's always so hard for me to do my lower lashes. So y'all that have really good bottom lashes are blessed. Love you all. Okay, so moving on to bronzing and sculpting. I like to use my one and only all-time favorite Tarte Park Ave Princess. And you can tell that I use this one the most, and then everything else down here. And also this one. White brush, white, well, it used to be white, but I use it all the time for contouring. I don't even know what number it is. I can't tell if it's 100 or 160 or 180. But anyways, for this MAC brush, I always use for contour and sculpting and contour / bronzing. So I'm gonna go in with both of these colors. Contour the forehead a little bit. I like to contour just a little bit at the top here and then more on the sides. Have like a little bit of a baby widow's peak right here, so gotta make sure you get into those. Contouring your jawline really sharpens your jawline and covers up your double chin, which is something I suffer of. Just going in with just a regular fluffy blending brush by Morphe. I'm gonna go in with one of my bronzing shades, and I'm gonna get the bottom part of my lip. And doing this technique, this little trick allows or gives off a an illusion that you have a larger lip, lower lip. And I also like to get my little dimples. So with my beauty blender, the little one, what I like to do to highlight some areas is I go in with this color. I dab it. And I just highlight my side here. Then for the sides, I just go back in with my brush. Just like that. Okay. Let's see. For brush, so for blush, I always like to use my Hourglass. And with the Sephora brush, just go ahead and apply. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Stila Kitten. And I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm also gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. So to contour my nose, I use this Elena Badro small brush. It's like a smudger brush. And I'm gonna go in with Angle. I'm gonna blend it out with a blending brush by Elena Badro. And I always make sure to get up here in the corners. And with a pencil brush, I'm just gonna take another highlighter, and this is by the Becca Cosmetics Vanilla Quartz. And just to finish off the look, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Morphe Setting Spray and Mist. And so the final thing that I did is apply lipstick, and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Allison and the Girl Lactic lip gloss.